Hello students, I am Ramesh Mishra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Golawaya, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already explained what is linear equation, what is algebraic expression, what is variable and constant, and types of algebraic expression. But today I will explain solving linear equation. How to solve linear equation? Method for solving linear equation is first is trial and error method. Trial and error method. Trial and error method. And second method is systematic method. Systematic method. Method for solving linear equation first of all is trial and error method, and second is systematic method. How to solve? Mostly use systematic method for solving linear equation. So, what is systematic method for solving linear equation? Dear students, suppose that this is a linear equation x plus 9 equal 7. This is linear equation. This side is called left hand side. This side is called left hand side. And this side is called right hand side. This side is called, before equal side is called left hand side, and after equal side is called right hand side. When you transpose any variable from left hand side to right hand side, then if here is plus sign, then when you transfer from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be minus sign. Here, if any variable or constant with minus sign, when you transpose from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be plus sign. And when any variable or constant in the product, then when you transpose right hand side, it will be divided. And here we divide, then here will be multiply. कहने का मतलब है कि अगर सिस्टमेटिक मेथड से लीनियर इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, पहले वेरिएबल को जो है एक साइड में करते हैं और कांस्टेंट को एक साइड में करते हैं. जब वेरिएबल या कांस्टेंट को एक साइड से दूसरे साइड में करते हैं, जैसे अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड में करते हैं, अगर वो प्लस 9 है तो जब इस साइड हो जाएगा तो माइनस 9 हो जाएगा. अगर इस साइड में जो है माइनस 9 है, उस साइड में हो जाएगा तो प्लस 9 हो जाएगा. अगर इस साइड में जो है अगर मल्टीप्लाई जैसे 9x इक्वल 7 है, तो जब 9 को हम उस साइड में करेंगे तो हो जाएगा x इक्वल 7/9 हो जाएगा. इस साइड में मान लीजिए अगर डिवाइड x बाई 9 है, तो जब 9 को उस साइड में तो 9 मल्टीप्लाई 7 हो जाएगा. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now I will solve some linear equation by the systematic method. Systematic method for solving linear equation. So dear students, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आप exercise 12.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आप exercise 12.3 question is here are some English sentences. Question is here are some English sentences. English sentences translate them into mathematical equation, then into mathematical equation and then solve them. First part is 7 more than twice a number is 35. 7 more than twice a number is 35. 7 more than twice a number is 35. Dear students, suppose that number is x, because number is unknown. Here number is unknown. Let number be x. Let number be x. We suppose any alphabetical number, any alphabetical letter A to Z, any letter we can choose or unknown number. First of all, I will make linear equation, and after making linear equation, I will find out solution of linear equation. In this question, 7 more than twice number. Let us suppose that number be x. Twice a number means 2 multiply x. 7 more plus 7. 2x plus 7 is 35 equal to 35. And therefore, linear equation will be 2x plus 7 equal 35. 2x plus 7 equal 35. Now, we have to solve this linear equation. How to solve this linear equation? First of all, I will collect variable in one side and constant in other side. So, I will transpose plus 7 from left hand side to right hand side. Then it will be 2x equal 35 minus 7. Here plus 7 is left hand side. Then when transpose plus 7 from this side to right hand side, then plus 7 will be minus 7. यानी ये लाइनर इक्वेशन है, इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, वेरिएबल को एक साइड में करते हैं और कांस्टेंट को एक साइड में करते हैं. जब किसी वेरिएबल या कांस्टेंट को एक साइड से दूसरे साइड में करते हैं तो अगर प्लस साइड है तो उस साइड में जाएगा, राइट हैंड साइड में तो माइनस साइड में हो जाएगा. तो ये हो जाएगा 2x इक्वल 28. 2x इक्वल 28. Therefore x इक्वल 28/2. यहाँ पर 2 है, 2 मल्टीप्लाई x है, तो 2 को हम उस साइड में करेंगे तो क्या होगा, 2 जो है यहाँ डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो जाएगा 2 1 जा 2 1 जा 2 4 जाएगा इक्वल 14. Here value x is 14 एंड नंबर क्या होगा, 14 होगा. और ये क्या बना है इसका, इस लाइनर इक्वेशन 2x + 7 का सॉल्यूशन होगा. इसी को जो है क्या करते हैं, सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पार्ट थर्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पार्ट थर्ड। Four more than three times a number is 5. 4 more than 3 times a number is 5. 4 more than 3 times a number is 5. So first of all, suppose that number is yes. Let number be 8. Now in this question, 3 times a number means 3 multiply 8. Therefore 3 multiply 8. And question 4 more than, therefore plus 4 equal what is 5. 3 times a number 4 more than equal 5. Then it will be equal to 3a equal 5 minus 4. Then it will be 3a equal 5 minus 4 1. Now it will be equal to a equal 1 by 3. यहाँ पर जो है जब हम प्लस 4 को उस साइड में किए हैं तो माइनस 4 हो गया है, और फिर जब 3 को इस साइड में किए हैं तो ये 3 डिवाइड हो गया है। तो इस तरह जो है a equal 1 by 3. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations by the method given in this section. Given in this section. Given in this section. Check to see if your solution is correct. If your solution is correct. Solution is correct. Now question is 5x minus 2 equal 8. Equation is 5x minus 2 equal 8. 5x minus 2 equal 8. We have to find out solution of this equation. So I will find out the value of x because variable is x. Therefore it will be 5x equal when transpose minus 2 from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be equal to 8 plus 2. Minus 2 when transpose left hand side from left hand side to right hand side, then minus 2 will be plus 2. And it will be equal to the 5x equal 10. Now I will transpose 5 from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be equal to the x equal 10 upon 5. Because here is 5 multiply x, but when you transpose 5 from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be divided. Then it will be equal to the 10 by 5, 5 to the 5, 5 to the 10. It will be equal to the 2. Now check then left hand side 5 plus minus 2. In left hand side 5x minus 2. Now we put x equal to in left hand side. If you get right hand side 8, then our answer is correct, otherwise not. So put x equal to then it will be 5 multiply 2 minus 2, 5 to the 10 minus 2 equal 8, equal right hand side. We get right hand side 8. So dear student, I see here when you solution of this linear equation is 2. When you put left hand value of yes in left hand side, we get 8. 8 is right hand side. So dear student, with the help of this equation, you can do all these type of question which is given the exercise 12.3. And if you check also that your solution is correct or not. So you can keep method in your mind and you can solve all these type of question. Next video I will explain other chapter. Thank you so much.